Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off preserve camera creative controls on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on settings. Next, in the settings page, scroll down and then tap on camera. Then in here, tap on Preserve Settings. Next, tap on Creative Controls. Tap on the toggle button to turn on or turn off Preserve Camera Creative Controls. And when this is switched on, it will preserve the last used filter, aspect ratio or light setting rather than automatically reset. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.